If you are new to the page, welcome. I'm Julie Samako, owner of Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. Welcome to the wreath shop. So this is AKA the garage of my home. I set up a studio in here. I want to welcome you into my home, therefore. And excuse the mess. I have been creating for videos for my Wreath Making of the Month Club. So we've been busy doing that. And let me, first of all, can I just, while people are coming on, let me just show you. This is what we demoed last week in our Wreath Making of the Month Club. So this is my wreath for my front door because it's got my name on it. And I still have to make the garland, so I'll be making the garland in the group too to go with this. So that's going to be fun. So this was made last week in Wreath Making of the Month Club, and then tonight we're going to be doing a live in the group as well. So we're going to be doing that. Doing another wreath tutorial. I'm going to be doing a Christmas magnolia wreath for them in the group tonight. If you want, let's see, here's information on my group if you're interested. You can get more information there. And then that's going to be fun. And then we've also got our pre-Black Friday sale going on our website, southerncharmwreaths.com, and click shop. We've got a lot of video tutorials from our Wreath Making of the Month Club video vault, currently on some deep discounted prices. So if you are, maybe you've been thinking about joining our Wreath of the Month Club and you haven't, due to whatever reason, check out our shop because we've got a lot of videos that we pulled out of the vault and bundled them up into packages. Let me see if I can find my staple gun. Perfect for maybe a gift for yourself. If you're looking just to master the art of wreath making, we have those videos that are for sale. And they're just pre-Black Friday sale. So you might want to snag them up. So we've got them bundled up for Christmas, and we've got Christmas arrangements, and we've got everyday wreath bundles. So anything that you've been looking at making it in our Wreath of the Month Club and you haven't learned how to make it, you might want to head over there to our website because it's a really good price. In fact, it is the only time I ever open up videos from our Wreath of the Month Club is for Black Friday. Right, I'm stapling these on. It's loud. We staple so that I'm running out of room to put stuff. We staple so that it is secure. And now I'm going to just glue on a little bit of glue. Put a little glue on the staple right there so it'll cool off. This is just added security. This beautiful sign came from Trends and Gems. I'm going to put it to the side, and then we're going to make our bow. All right, here's the ribbon. I'm loving this ribbon. So let me zoom in so you can see just a little bit better. And then, there we go. All right, so this is the ribbon I'm choosing. Let me get my wire. Cindy's on the airplane. All right, so we have this beautiful ribbon. This came from Khalees. I haven't talked about Khalees in a while. So this came from Khalees, and then I have this beautiful ribbon that came from Trends and Gems, and then this came from Wholesale at Sims Pottery. that I've had in my stash for at least a year. So we're going to go ahead and make our bow. I'm going to do whimsical look. It's Elf. So Elf is always whimsical in my opinion. I'm just going to do a little bit of a tail. Probably roll that under. All right, so I measure for you guys. This is 13 inches. Now I'm going to pinch. Just going to lay this down on the mat and measure out the 12-inch mark. And then we're going to feed it into our fingers, just like this. I'm going to see if that's good. Okay. And then I may actually do it. Let's do this one 14 inches. There, that looks better in my opinion. That looks better. 14 inches for that loop. Okay, and then you twist, and then you're going to measure out another 14 inches. And then you'll bring that to the back and feed it into your fingers and then twist. Don't you love this color? Lime green and red is just so popular. It's always been. I think it always will be. It's a good base color, isn't it, for just different things. So you could add, you know, black to this and it would be pretty. All right, so we've got our base. Basically, we've got our rabbit ears. And that's really all I'm going to be doing is rabbit ears on top of rabbit ears. So we're going to add our next layer. I'm going to measure this guy 14 inches is what I said. Pinch it into my fingers. So when I mean pleat it. So I'm just pleating it into my fingers and then I'm going to twist just like this. Measure out another 14 inches and bring it to the back and pleat. And then twist, and then cut. And so we've got one layer, and then one layer. So you guys, this ribbon right here was in the swag bag from Wreath Makers Live 2 years ago from Kali. She's got a lot of really nice products too. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my next ribbon. This looks a little long. Let me bring this down a little bit. I'm going to measure to make sure these are even. And then we're going to trim and flip it over and add our wire. So we are in the middle of planning. Speaking of Wreath Makers Live, we are already planning our next one. We'll be flying out of town actually on Monday to scout a location. So I hope we can start selling tickets very soon. If you have gone to Wreath Makers Live, you know, first of all, what an event it is to put on, and then secondly, how fun it is to attend it, to see all of our wreath friends in person. I get to hug your neck. That to me is my favorite part. Right, so we've got, this is our bow, just like that. Isn't that cute? So I am cooking for Thanksgiving, and we have 13 people coming. And I'll be coming out from back in town on Tuesday. So I've got a lot of work to do. I've got a lot of work to do to get ready, just like everybody else. I'm getting ready. We have this beautiful colored grapevine wreath. I got this from Carolina Pottery, so you can tell I get supplies from all over. I'm going to just attach this onto the wreath using our wire. So you see why I like to prep the sign first. Now you can make your own. Let me see. Do I want this? Yeah. You can always make your own painted signs. I mean wreaths if you want to. I personally like to buy them already done. I'm just going to feed this through and twist. Lisa's going to Missouri. Patty's excited about Wreath Makers Live. Hey, Jamie. Let me move my heavy wreath back. Feed this one right through. So everybody decorating for Christmas yet? We are pretty much done here in our house. Make sure that's pulled as tight as possible. So here we have our sun attached. I'm going to go ahead and just attach my bow over here on this side. Hey, Peggy from Jacksonville. Wreath Makers Live is on Sonia's shopping list for this Christmas. It would make a good Christmas gift from a hubby. If you don't know what Wreath Makers Live is, go to wreathmakerslive.com and you'll get a little more information. It's a convention for wreath makers, the only one of its kind. All right, so now I have my ribbon tails. I just want to trim these. I'll go ahead and trim this guy. I just love this fun color theme. Cute. Now what I do is get a little bit of green on the bottom of that bow. We're just going to use some of this real fun greenery. I got this at Wholesale. I don't know if Trends and Gems sells it. I've been using this a lot this year. I love the flocked look and the greenery. Plus every little piece bends. That's how you could tell it's really good quality. All right, I'm going to put this to the side. First of all, I'm going to start hot gluing. Let's see if I don't need to put a pick on these things. We'll see. I'm just going to glue these in. that pretty already? I love this twig. It looks like, you know, just a little bit of a twig, and it's got some berries on it. This is fun. So we'll just, oh, see, you see how this all is really thick wire and it bends. How fun is that? Now I'm going to add these fun ornaments. I got these from Carolina Pottery. However, I know that Trends and Gems has these as well. So Trends and Gems on Etsy. Carolina Pottery is carolinapottery.com. So we're using stuff all over today, aren't we? Just from everywhere. The ornaments in. See how all of the ornaments are in there? A fun thing to do is to just spread them out, because they're on these, they've got these little accordion like whatchamacallits, wire. They're bendable, so you can pull these out. I love doing that. It just makes it more whimsical. How cute. It turned out so pretty. It's simple, isn't it? Just a really pretty wreath design. And then don't forget, we have our videos on sale for Black November, pre-Black Friday sale on our website. Go to southerncharmwreaths.com and click shop, and you'll see all of our tutorials are on there. And I've picked our the favorite ones from the group in our Wreath of the Month Club member vault. Okay, so this is the only time I ever open up to the general public our Wreath of the Month Club videos. Typically they're reserved for Wreath of the Month Club members only. So if you are looking and you're interested in learning some more of the designs that we've taught in our Wreath of the Month Club, check it out on our website, southerncharmwreaths.com. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope I inspired you. Thank you all so much for joining me. And again, if you are watching me and you've never seen me before, make sure to hit the subscribe or the follow button underneath the video. If you're watching the replay on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to me over there, and you'll be the first ones notified when I upload a new tutorial. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Blessings to all of you. You guys are a blessing to me. Bye.